Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Armand Cruiser Lessons, a broker specializing in houses in New Valley in the South. And today, we're doing an unedited raw tour of this ongoing construction house here in Laguna Bel Air for in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Tara, samahan niyo ko. Tulad ng sinabi ko sa simula ng video, we're here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, in Laguna Bel Air for touring this house. This is actually an ongoing construction house na will be ready for turnover this coming February 2026. As you can see, nagkakaroon na ginagawa na yung fence and gate niya. And then, may pintura na rin siya. So, just to give you house specifications, yung lot area natin is 165 square meters and yung floor area niya is 200 square meters. Yung bahay is 4 bedrooms. Meron siyang 3 toilet and bath, and then meron din siyang maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath. Now, yung carport natin, kasya ang 2 sasakyan. Kita-kita naman. And then, nandyan din yung ating septic tank. You know what? Gusto ko nagpapakita ng mga raw or unedited tours ng mga ongoing construction kasi at least nakikita niya kung paano ginawa yung bahay. So, tara, ikutin natin ang buong bahay. As you can see, ang dami pang nagagawa ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy yung gawa niya. And pinipintuhan na yung fence. So, ito yung ating front porch. Okay, ganyan na yung itsura niyan. Tapos, kitang-kita niyo naman ang pinto natin, solid wood door. And then, ini-installan siya ngayon ng smart lock. So, since ginagawa doon, ikot tayo dito tayo dadaan sa gilid. So, just to give you an idea, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, pagkapasok niyo ng pinto, this is the living area. And then, ito naman po yung ating dining area. So, for the dining area, it can fit your 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. It's a little bit longer and bigger. And then, right across it would be your kitchen. So, as you can see, yung labas na lang yung ginagawa. Pero yung loob, halos malinis na siya eh. Halos nakikita niya na yung itsura ng mismong bahay. So yung countertop natin, granite countertop yan. Marami kang cabinets. And then, meron ka din ditong cabinets overhead. And alam ko maglalagay rin yan ng range hood. And isang nagustuhan ko dito sa bahay na to is dual sink siya. The reason why I like this because you wash the dishes on this side and then on the other side, you dry it there. So dito rin sa ating kitchen area is the access going to the back part of a house, which is ito yung service area natin. Pwede kayong gawing dirty kitchen to. Pwede niyong bubungan kung gusto niyo. And then dito, hindi ko lang mapakita, ito yung ating maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath. Dito rin sa ground floor, ayan, ito yung ano natin. This is yung storage natin sa ilalim ng stairs. Ito naman yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor for our guests and also yung para magamit ng ating maids. And then, ito yung ating bedroom dito sa ground floor. Maluwag din siya, kasya ang ating queen size or king size bed. Tapos ang gusto ko sa kanya, meron siyang space doon na pwedeng paglagay ng cabinet. And alam ko, itong bahay na to will kasama yung cabinets niya. Ayun. So ngayon, if you want to know more about this property, just message us the contact information na nakagalagay dyan sa comment section. We will try to answer everything. We'll provide you with the floor layout and also yung artist perspective niya. Okay, so dito na tayo sa second floor. Pero bago yan, i-admire lang muna natin yung itsura ng ating stairs. So yan ang itsura ng ating stairs. Meron ka ng chandelier dyan. Tapos ang magandang tinake note, yung ceiling natin dito sa second floor, mostly WPC yan. So long term, hindi siya aanayin. Matibay siya. And then you have that mahabang glass. So, and makikita nyo rin, maganda, maluwag yung hallway natin. Okay, ito rin yung other side ng hallway natin. And then, ayan, si Kuya nagagawa. Ito yung ating kusina, nililinis, yung ating common toilet sa second floor. Kitang-kita nyo na, maluwag siya, very spacious. So, if you're looking for a spacious common toilet and bath, hindi ka mahirapang gumalaw dyan. Actually, pwede pang ang bedroom yan yung size niya. sa ibang mga bahay na binibenta ko, bedroom yan. So this is yung first bedroom sa second floor. Ganun din ang ceiling niya, WPC. So matibay yan. And then, as you can see, you have your cabinet. And then lahat pala ng kwarto, may provision siya for aircon. Yung electrical supply na naka-located lang dun sa labas lang or malapit dun sa may labas. Ito naman yung second bedroom. Again, maluwag. Tamang size lang. Kaya yung kasya siguro yung double natin or queen size bed. And then, punta naman tayo. So itong house na to, meron siyang sariling family area. So ito yung family area natin. And yung family area natin siya, may sariling siyang balcony. So, yung size ng family area natin, lalong lumalaki dahil dito sa balcony. And ito yung view mo sa labas. You know why I like Laguna Bel Air? Kasi napakatahimik niya. Hindi siya maingay, hindi siya magulo. So, and then malapit ka lang din sa Nuvali. So, you are actually enjoying the pagiging urban, yung pagiging accessible mo to everything you need. So, this is the family area. Okay? So, ito naman yung ating master's bedroom. So, yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang balcony, meron siyang walk-in closet. So, ito yung master's bedroom natin. Ang ginamit na ilaw is yung may ceiling fan na. And then, meron din siyang balcony. Meron lang nakalagay, so hindi natin maano. Pero dadaanan na rin natin siya ng camera natin. Okay, and then ito yung ating walk-in closet. So, ang maluwag, no? Sobrang luwag ng walk-in closet niya. Tamang-tama lang. So, pwedeng his and hers or hers. Joke lang. And then, ito yung ating toilet and bath. So, master toilet and bath. Napakaluwag niya. Pwede pang mag-kwarto dito. Joke lang. That's it for this unedited and raw tour of this house and lot for sale na still ongoing construction. If you want to know about this property, you can contact us in the contact information na nandyan po sa description, sa comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and kita-kita tayo sa next house tours natin.